Ever wished you could get paid before your actual payday? You're not alone. Millions of people struggle with that gap between paychecks, leading to stress, late fees, and even debt. But what if there was a way to access your earned income early? Enter Beforepay. But hold on, not everyone can use it. So, let's dive into which countries currently have access to this awesome financial tool. Beforepay is basically a revolutionary way to get paid. Instead of waiting for your traditional payday, you can access a portion of your earned wages instantly. This can be a lifesaver for unexpected expenses, covering bills on time, or simply giving you more financial flexibility. But, unfortunately, Beforepay isn't available everywhere yet. So, which lucky countries get to enjoy the benefits of Beforepay? Let's break it down. Currently, Beforepay is primarily available in the United States. That means if you're a U.S. resident and employed by a company that partners with Beforepay, you're in luck. You can likely access your earned wages early with just a few taps on your phone. But wait, there's more. Even within the U.S., availability can vary depending on your employer. Beforepay primarily works with larger employers who have integrated the service into their payroll systems. So, while not every U.S. employee can use it, a growing number of companies are partnering with Beforepay, expanding access to this valuable financial tool. Now, what about the rest of the world? The good news is that Beforepay is actively expanding its global reach. They are constantly exploring new partnerships and working towards making their services accessible to more countries and employees worldwide. So, if you're outside the U.S., keep an eye out for updates and announcements from Beforepay. You might just be able to access this game-changing service soon. It's important to note that Beforepay is not alone. You're simply accessing your already earned income early. However, there might be small fees associated with using the service, so it's crucial to understand the terms and conditions before signing up. The benefits of using Beforepay are numerous. It can help you avoid late fees, improve your credit score by paying bills on time, and reduce financial stress. It can also give you more control over your finances and help you achieve your financial goals faster. So, to summarize, Beforepay is currently primarily available in the United States, with expanding availability within the country. While global expansion is underway, it's still primarily focused on the U.S. market. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.